Today we start with the first Monday of Advent, and we hear something very beautiful from the prophet Isaiah, the idea of peace becoming on earth because people are plowing their swords into plowshares and then their spears into pruning hooks. So basically taking items of war and then turning them into items of peace and production. And it's a great symbol for our spiritual lives as well. Very often our words are like swords, our actions are like spears, but then to direct those actions and our words towards something more productive like pruning hooks and things of production like plowshares. And so today let us direct all of our actions in a godly manner, not in a way of war, but in a way of bringing peace with our neighbors. So may you all have a great day. God bless. Until next time.